Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Xiaomi 2A fast charger with cable. This is a BIS certified charger. You can see what this particular charger adapter looks like. This comes with a 1.2 meter long micro USB cable, 380 volt surge protection and overheat protection as well. Over here, do we have any more information? Output is 5 volts and input is 100 to 240 volts, which is pretty standard for most households. Cable length, as mentioned earlier, is 1.2 meters. I will open this box and show you what's inside. And here we are. So yeah, this is the 2 ampere fast charger. There's a protective cover on top. I'm not going to remove that. Yeah, there you go. This is a USB-A port right over here and your 2-pin jack on the other end. And where is the rest? Here is the rest. This is the fast charging cable that comes with this particular adapter. This is a 1.2 meter long micro USB charger. There you go. 1.2 meter long micro USB charging cable. And that's it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the Xiaomi 2A fast charger with cable. Thank you for watching.